Hi everyone, as I promised, I'm back with the donuts recipe. For this recipe we will need 1 kilogram of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 15 grams of yeast, the dried one, 4 whole eggs, 500 milliliters of milk, 2 teaspoons salt, lemon zest, and some patience. Mix the flour with sugar, salt, and dry yeast. Add the eggs, the butter, and lemon zest, mixing a little bit, and then we will continue adding the milk and mixing well. You may need more flour until the walls of the bowl are clean. At the end, this is the consistency you wanna have your dough, like this, just like this. Now you're gonna let it rest for 40 to 60 minutes, and then we will move to the next step. You can cover the bowl with a cloth, plastic wrap, either one of them, and leave it at the room temperature. Don't forget, 40 to 60 minutes. Now prepare your surface where you're gonna work the dough. I use oil, but you can use flour too. I prefer oil because when it's the time to fry, I don't like the frying flour. Anyway, so roll the dough until you're gonna get this thickness, and then I use a cookie cutter this shape, but you can choose whatever shape you prefer. Then you press it down, make sure you're not going to waste too much dough, right, while shaping, right? And then you press down and twist a little bit, and you should get this size. Look at this. Then you're going to place it on a tray. Make sure you're going to put some oil, and then we're going to leave it to rest for 10-15 minutes, depend. 15 minutes later, donuts should look like this, ready to be fried. Prepare a pan or a pot, a low-high pot with vegetable oil or sunflower oil. I have vegetable oil right now. Let it to heat on medium-high until you're gonna see these lines, as you can see in the video, and then we're gonna place the donuts. Start with one donut first, and if it's gonna start bubbling like this, that means it's ready. So we're gonna start frying them now. Fry them at medium heat until they're gonna reach this color. Then you're gonna scoop them and let them dry on a tray with some paper towel. You can serve them like this, plain, or with jam, Nutella, or powdered sugar, or other options or preferences you have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you.